Today, we're going to be talking about words connected with spring. That's right. Come and sign with me, Mrs. Bergen. Come on. Spring. What is that? One year has 4 seasons. Four seasons. First, winter. Second, spring. Third, summer. And fourth, fall. We're going to talk about spring. Spring. Spring starts March 20th. Every year. Spring. March. Name of the month is March. April. The name of the month is April. May. The name of the month is May. Spring ends next month in June, but we're going to include June for summer. Spring weather can be a variety of different things. It can be rain, sunny, windy, so many different things. Sunlight. Warm sunlight. Rain. You can show different ways of rain. It could be a light rain, a heavy rain, or maybe just some droplets. Rain. Umbrella. Umbrella. Raincoat. Raincoat. Windy. Windy. Kite. Kite. Springtime, we like to plant a garden. Things will grow. Many different things that we can grow in spring. Let's see. What do we do? First, I want to show you 4 different signs that look similar, but are different. Spring. Plant. Grow. Garden. Let's see those again. Spring. Plant. Grow. You're going to show something growing. And garden. Soil. Soil. Seeds. seeds. Plant. Or you can show how you're planting something. Water. I'm going to show pouring the water. Your plants need water. I can water my plant. Grow. Flowers. Flowers. Garden. Garden. Baby animals. Many baby animals are born in the springtime. This is a bird named Robin. Eggs. Birds lay eggs, and in the eggs are baby birds. These eggs are from a robin. How do I know that? Because they're blue. Nest. In this nest are eggs. The birds leave their eggs in a nest. Springtime has a holiday called Easter. Maybe you've participated in an Easter egg hunt. You have a basket, you look for eggs, and when you find them, you put them in your basket to collect all the eggs you can. Bunny or bunny. The Easter bunny hides the eggs. Here's some eggs hiding. Hide. Find. I'm looking for some eggs. Where are the eggs? Where are they hiding? I found them. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed learning words about spring. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so you can learn more signs with me. Bye-bye.